The date is the 30th of June 2025. The time is now 9:02 p.m. and the moon's above there, and I've just come out. I just called my best friend Trish out, and I've never seen clouds like it. Look, well, there for a start, that's over, that house there is in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses in Lincoln, UK, and that's Jehovah's Temple in Jerusalem. And 2.9 miles away is a hamlet without a church called Jerusalem, and that's the only place in the UK called Jerusalem. So what's the chances of that? So that's Jehovah's Temple there, and these are the clouds. Look at these, they're unusual enough, very contrasty, aren't they? But then when you move over here, look at those weirdos. They are very strange. Look, what's that about? Look at them. Never seen any. My best friend Trish says she's never seen clouds like that before. Just as we enter the 1st of July tomorrow, 2025, a month before the Watchtower and the governing body of Jehovah's Witnesses go down. Wow, they're black up there, aren't they? The contrast with the light. And then there, these are, that one there, that's a bit strange, over Steve's house. And then these ones are right above my, let me zoom out a bit. These ones are right above my house. Right up there, look. Oh, they're really weird. They don't look right, do they? Supernatural clouds, look. And then we've got some strange ones over there, and above there, and above number 13. Yeah, but look at the contrast. That's incredible contrast. There's the moon up there, look. Crescent moon. Yeah, as I said, my best friend Trish has never seen anything like them. I mean, they're so beautiful. Somebody making a noise. And they're as black as anything. The sun's over there, look, in the northwest. And I don't know what that's about there. They're just never seen anything like them. I say, Trish said she's never seen anything like them. I rushed up to get my camera. Beautiful, them. So black or dark. Well, that's a bit of a strange one up there, look. Look at that. That's weird, isn't it? It's over in the south. That's just to the side of the moon, left of the moon. And that one's a bit strange. And that one above me, that's a bit strange. And then we've got some patchiness over the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses, look. Look at that patch. There's a mishmash of clouds around about 9 o'clock p.m. They're just not in any, they're just random, everything. Random clouds like that. What is that about? Those ones, but especially that, I've never seen a formation like that. What is that about? That's really strange. That's where the sun is, look. Nice colours. That cloud looks like, black cloud looks like it's got a hole in it. Don't know what to say about that. And then over in the been over in the that's the east. Not quite as strange, but they are a bit, what's all weird round here. Look at that one up there. Oh dear, have you ever seen clouds like that? These are supernatural. From Jehovah, definitely something's going on. They're just weird, man. Take one pan round. Yeah, that's the patchy one above there. You can see it a bit more now. Look, what's that about? What clouds do they call that? That's over the Birchwood Kingdom, or where that house is anyway, in that direction. I'd say that's a bit weird. I don't know what to make of that. What do you reckon? And that's just under the moon. That cloud. Why is that one dark and that one's light? Cool, look at that. That's so pretty, really. I've just widened the angle a bit so you can see. Right, we'll start there and then I'll finish, but that will pan round now. Over the Birchwood Kingdom, all in that direction. And then we go up there in the direction of sun. And I think that's the weirdest sort of clouds there. Yep. Anyway, there you go. I'll say goodbye for now.